Welcome back to my channel. Today's drug is arsenic. Its full name is Arsenicum album. It is very important remedy in day-to-day life. It is useful for BHMS exams, YOAs, and for practitioners. At the end of the video, there are some important Kent repertory rubrics which identifies that patient is arsenic, and that is a single remedy in that rubric which is arsenic. So keep watching. So let's start with the arsenic explanation. Its full name is Arsenicum album, white oxide of arsenic. Its formula is As2O3. Generals of arsenic: there is great prostration, rapid sinking of vital force, fainting, restlessness. It is one of the remedy in the Nash's trio of restlessness. Other two are aconite and Ruxtox. Disposition of arsenic patient. Arsenic patient is depressing, melancholic, despair, indifferent, anxious, fretful, full of anguish. Patient is irritable, sensitive, and peevish. Mental symptoms of arsenic. Arsenic patient is restless. There is fear of death. Patient is always in the fear that he is going to die. Mental restlessness, but physically patient is too weak to move about. In arsenic patient, there is suicidal tendencies, but patient is fear to die. Cannot rest in one place, change position continually. This is because patient is restless. Anxious, fear of death. Think it is useless to take medicine. Disease is incurable and I am going to die. मीन्स पेशेंट ये सोचता है कि उसकी डिज़ीज़ ठीक हो ही नहीं सकती, इसलिए मेडिसिन लेने की कुछ यूज़ ही नहीं है, इसलिए वो मेडिसिन लेने से भी इनकार कर देता है. दिस ड्रेड ऑफ डेथ व्हेन अलोन और गोइंग टू बेड. एंजाइटी. अटैक ऑफ एंजाइटी एट नाइट, ड्राइविंग आउट ऑफ द बेड and aggravate after midnight. There is burning pain in the affected parts. Burns like fire as if hot coals were applied to the part, which is ameliorated by heat. This is a very unique feature. Pain are burning pain, but amelioration is by heat, by hot drinks, and amelioration by hot application. This is a unique feature of arsenicum. Thirst, burning thirst without special desire to drink. The stomach doesn't seem to tolerate. There is great thirst for cold water often, but drinks little. Stomach cannot bear smell or sight of food. Gastric derangement after cold fruits, ice creams, ice water, sour beer, bad sausage, alcoholic drinks, strong cheese. Kent's repertory rubric is stomach anxiety. It is one of the important rubric for arsenic. Children's arsenic is used in teething children's, where children are pale, weak, fretful, and want to be carried rapidly. Arsenic is a very important remedy in diarrhea, and it has very unique feature in diarrhea that after eating or drinking, stool is scanty, dark colored, and offensive. And whether the quantity of diarrhea is small or large, it is followed by great prostration. Hemorrhoids. In arsenic, hemorrhoids are with stitching pain when walking or sitting, not at stool. The pain is not present during the stool. Pain prevents sitting or sleeping. Burning pain aggravated by heat. Fissures makes voiding urine difficult. Asthma of arsenic. Asthma Asthmatic must sit or bend forward. Springs out of the bed at night, especially after 12 o'clock, unable to lie down for the fear of suffocation. Attack like croup instead of usual urticaria. Rapid emaciation with cold sweat and great debility. The symptoms are worse from 1 to 2 p.m. or 1 to 2 a.m. Skin of the arsenic. Skin is dry, scaly, cold, blue, and wrinkled with cold, clammy perspiration like parchment. White and pasty, black vesicles, and burning pain. bad effect from decayed food or animal matter, whether by inoculation, olfaction, or ingestion. Complaints return annually. Aggravation of arsenic is after midnight from cold drinks, cold food, lying on the affected side, and head low. Amelioration of arsenic is from heat in general, except headache, which is temporarily relieved by cold bathing. Burning pain is ameliorated by heat. It is a unique feature of arsenicum album. Now we will learn about Kent's repertory rubric for arsenic. It is very important in viva purpose, in exams of BHMS, and in practice purpose. Now let's start with the rubrics. Stomach. Anxiety, night on rising up. That's a single remedy arsenic. In mind section, fear of death of alone in the evening, in bed, single remedy arsenic. Mind anguish driving from place to place, arsenic. Mind fear alone of being, lest he injure himself. That is also one single remedy arsenic. Now in generalities section, there is faintness of diarrhea after, arsenic. Mind fear of death of vomiting, arsenic. Mind fear of death of vexation, arsenic. Mind fastidiousness, arsenic. Other remedy is Nux vomica in fastidious section. In mind, there is fear, jump out of the bed, is arsenic. So this was the complete information about arsenicum album. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में विद अ न्यू रेमेडी, होम्योपैथिक रेमेडी. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.